Hello, everybody. So, today I wanted to share with you an update that Mozilla is making to their nightly builds if you happen to be using a Linux distro. So, let's go over so I can share all that information with you because I think it's really going to help a lot of you out if you want to have one of the nightly builds. So, as you can see, Mozilla is now providing RPM packages for Firefox Nightly Builds. In late 2023, Mozilla began providing Debian packages of Firefox Nightly Builds, complete with an apt repository. Those on Debian and Ubuntu distributions have a much easier path for enjoying Firefox Nightly since then, and now Mozilla engineers are providing similar RPM builds of Firefox Nightly also. For those running Fedora, openSUSE, or other Red Hat derivative distributions, RPM packages of Firefox Nightly Builds have commenced. Mozilla announced today providing RPM-based distributions with Firefox Nightly Builds and a working RPM repository. Now, these RPM builds are also providing better performance via compiler optimizations, automatic desktop file generation, easier updates, and hardened binaries via additional security flags. Now, instructions on making use of the new RPM repository for Firefox Nightly on Fedora, openSUSE, and other RPM-based distributions can be found via today's mozilla.org blog post. Better late than never. Now, I'm going to include a link for this mozilla.org blog post right here, because if you go to it, you'll see here is the Mozilla's Firefox Nightly.rpm packages. So that's for the RPM-based Linux distros. As you can see down below, here's the one for Fedora, here's the one for openSUSE, and then here's the one for all the other ones like Red Hat Enterprise Linux, centOS, Rocky Linux, and older Fedora versions. But you can see all you have to do is type in whichever one, and it's going to install that nightly build. If you want to have the latest and greatest Firefox web browser installed, all you have to do is pick your distro and then install that RPM, and it's going to be up and running in just a matter of minutes. So I thought that might be helpful for some of you that are running Fedora, Red Hat Linux, any of those distros that are based off of that. I thought you might like to have it. So if you have any questions, or maybe you just want me to go into a little bit more depth about this, please let me know down below in the comments, and I will do my best to get back to you. And if there's a video, topic, article, anything you'd like me to make a video on, please let me know that down below in the comments, and I will do my best to create that video for you. And if you found this helpful and you'd like to support this channel, I left a link in the video description where you can buy me a cup of coffee if you'd like to. And as always, because you all do such a great job, if you can, hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep putting up more great content like, did you know that Mozilla is now going to release the RPM builds of the Firefox Nightly web browser so you can install it on your Fedora, openSUSE, any of those distros? And I'll be more than happy to keep putting up all this great content for you all. Thanks so much, everybody. I really appreciate you all. I hope you have a great day. Take care. God bless, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.